Today I'm going to talk about what it takes to lead a 21st century school and some of the important things we learned about in this course. My name is Miranda Galvin and I am from Lindbergh High School, and I look forward to you seeing my video. So a great question that we have circled around this semester has been, what does it take to lead a 21st century school? One of the things I really believe in and have been living in my school district is the idea of the 4 C's of creativity, collaboration, critical thinking, and communication. I think these skills are going to be really important as our schools start to move into the 21st century with a shift in mindset away from just obtaining knowledge and students reproducing that knowledge. We have found that information is free on the internet. So, more importantly, what can students do with that information, and how can they work as a team? How can they communicate what they found? How can they critically think to take what they've learned a little bit deeper? And how can they be creative with that information? It's these soft skills that are going to stick with them in everything that they do, whether it's moving on to college, whether it's entering the workforce. Students will have to have these skills as they move on. So I think that is one of the most important things we've talked about. And what that looks like is helping teachers shift a mindset away from that they are the keepers of information and that the only way to get it is from them to the students, and coming up with creative ideas and projects within their classroom. So I hope you've enjoyed my conversation, and thanks so much.